Hey guys, it's John and Morgan with Longhaul Lifesavers, and welcome to another episode of Finally Friday.
Woohoo! We made it to the weekend. Just kidding, guys. This is going to be Festive Friday. We are taking you with us. Did some Christmas shopping, early Christmas shopping. Checked out some Christmas in the Park. Isn't that what it was called?
Yep.
Yeah, Christmas in the Park. So we're going to take you along with us. Why are we standing here?
Because the government.
I got my sushi jacket on, and I'm warm. Let's go find some Christmas lights. Looking at all the Christmas lights.
See, like, they have lights on their poles, but they're not even lit up.
No, maybe they only light them up like after Thanksgiving.
I don't know. It still is pretty early.
Yeah.
But we went to the park and did like a drive-through light festival thing, and we thought we were going to be able to walk around, so we dressed warm. And then it was just a drive-through, so we figured we'd come downtown and see what was going on.
Yeah.
And with the second round of COVID, there was nothing happening. So.
But all the lights, or all the shops have decorated, so we're just looking at all the windows. So let's cross here.
Okay. I know him.
Do that movie, y'all. You know, nobody uses tinsel anymore.
That's true. Yeah. Oh, that's creepy.
Oh.
That is creepy AF.
Yeah, but I like that chandelier right above it.
The wine bottle chandelier.
Yeah.
This is kind of a creepy store.
Yeah.
Like they have
off the corner.
Medusa down here. Ugh.
It looks like an interesting store.
Looks creepy.
We need to go back to Hobby Lobby.
No.
I want that.
I like that.
I want crystals on my tree. Look how bougie that is. It's beautiful. They did a good job.
Okay.
But this dress is cute.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Joy, love, peace, empathy, kindness, decency, caring, generosity, health, wisdom, tolerance, trust, honesty, hope, respect, harmony, honor, strength, integrity, calm, abundance, compassion, and understanding. It's a great wish list. Let's make it happen, people.
Yeah, I feel sorry for all these. Since we've been to Paducah, this bar has not opened.
Nope.
I feel so bad for them.
This wall is like absolutely magnificent. Not only its size, but the murals that are on there, and then they have these placards here so that, you know, it tells you what each mural represents. Town has a lot of history.
Would they say it took them like 15 years to complete that or
I don't
something?
know. It was a long time. I wish all these little snowflakes were lit up on the lights there.
Yeah, all these
Look
businesses are
at this one.
closed. Yeah, we don't need to shoot every tree we see.
I know. Ooh, I like this one too. Oh, hey, this is the... Oh, no, this isn't the...
That's the soap store that I was telling you about.
yeah.
That just opened.
Here's John's barber shop. He really likes it. Manly Daniels.
Yep.
He really, really likes it there. It's a cute shop. Oh, I haven't seen it since they finished everything. Get to the chopper. I'm pretty sure she didn't understand that pedestrians have the right of way when walking on the sidewalk. Oh my god.
That's a medical helicopter.
Well, that would make sense. They're flying towards the hospital. Ooh, look at this one. I'm like super in the Christmas mood this year. Have you noticed?
Yes.
Yeah. All right.
There's a little baby Christmas tree. We've walked all of 5 minutes.
I'm ready for some turkey dinner.
You don't even like turkey.
No, I'm just kidding. I don't want turkey dinner. We got a chicken. A chicken. Look at all those chickens. Jonathan.
Hold on. Cranberries were burning. Yes.
What are you thankful for?
Cranberry sauce.
Cranberry sauce.
I don't know. Our puppers and my wife, my job,
Aww. You love me?
I guess.
What is your favorite thing that we're gonna eat today?
Probably green bean casserole. It's always been my favorite. So what are you thankful for?
Well, of course, I'm thankful for you and my dogs. I'm also thankful that we're free.
Ish.
We
did a whole lot of freedom today.
We did.
What did we do?
We built some guns.
There you go.
So, yeah, this is a really weird Thanksgiving for us. It's the first time that it's been just the two of us.
Yep.
There's been a bunch of Thanksgiving that it's been just me because John's at work. But we've never gotten to celebrate just the two of us. So it's been a lazy day. We're in jammies all day, built some guns, cooked some food. We're going to eat way too much. Mia's going to be mad and wants to be in the video apparently.
You wouldn't be in your bathrobe for
I'm
this?
in my bathrobe for
Okay.
this. Yeah, no, I told y'all, we are in our jammies all day long.
Yeah.
So we hope everyone had a wonderful Thanksgiving and got to spend time with hopefully a loved one or loved ones. We love y'all.
Yep. We're also thankful for all of our subscribers. Thanks for hanging out with us. It's been a fun ride, and we're going to continue it. So until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and then head on over to Instagram and follow us at Longhaul Lifesavers. See you guys.
Bye.